रेमंड की ओर से स्प्रिंग समर कलेक्शन 2021 का लुक बुक लॉन्च हो चुका है और चलिए देखते हैं इस पिटारे में क्या है अपने लिए। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त अमित। वेलकम टू एबीज वर्ल्ड। फ्रेंड्स, द स्प्रिंग समर कलेक्शन 2021 by Raymond's is just out and we are the first one to bring it to you. बने रहिए हमारे साथ। शुरुआत जो है फॉर्मल कलेक्शन से है, जहाँ बताया गया है कि एक फाइन रेंज ऑफ फैब्रिक क्यूरेटेड विद डिस्टिंग्विश्ड डिजाइन एंड ह्यूज एंड एमिनेंट क्राफ्टमैनशिप. Then formal collection helps you embark upon a rare and prominent presence. Let your suit do the talking with this 2-button classic check suit with patch pockets and subtle contrast detailing. तो पहला जो डिज़ाइन है उसमें आप देखेंगे कि सूट में एक छोटा सा पैच पॉकेट्स डाला है. हम और व्यू पोज करते हैं और पॉकेट में भी एक सटल सा एक डिज़ाइन डाला है. क्लासिक 3-piece ओवरलेइंग लॉन्ग वेस्ट कोट विथ ए क्लासिक 2-button सूट. तो एक क्लासिक 2-button सूट है और अंदर में एक वेस्ट कोट है जो हल्का सा कोट के लेंथ के बराबर है. Stay ahead with the classic 6-button double-breasted stripe suit. जैसे कि बता दे कि stripe is also in fashion now और ये एक 6-button double-breast सूट है. आप देख पाएंगे यहाँ पे वापस बैक टू फैशन हो रहा है. Stay classic with this double-breasted round lapel 6-button waistcoat with matching trouser and classic 2-button checks jackets. तो इसके अंदर जो वेस्टकोट डाला है वो एक डिजाइनिंग वेस्टकोट डाला है so that it gives a look to your suit. Uber style and comfort assured with this classic 2-button suit. ये क्लासिकल 2-button सूट्स है. Make your presence felt with a single button notch lapel classic suit with double breasted waistcoat and lapel. Add to your style quotient with this contrast and sharp cut tail waistcoat with matching bone pocket and 3-piece suit. आप देख पाएंगे कि यहाँ पे एक हल्का सा डिजाइन एड ऑन किया है. Suit up in this classic 3-piece suit with long waistcoat. जो waistcoat का लंबाई है वो कोट के लंबाई के बराबर किया गया है. Make a mark with this classic 2-button 3-piece suit with notch lapel. Make wave with this classic 2-button check with lapel and cross check pocket patch pockets. जो पॉकेट्स डाला है इस डिजाइन में वो क्रॉस है, पैच पॉकेट्स है. Lead the way with this 2-button check suit with cross check patch in front with contrast detailing on the pocket. आप देख पाएंगे Get a semi-formal look with this classic 3-piece style suit by adding a check waistcoat. Trends start with you and this classic 2-button check suit with front cross patch pocket and self side pocket. Let your style do the talking with this 2-button 3-piece stripe suit with thickened pocket and complementing striped waistcoat. Classic yet regal 2-button double-breasted stripe suit for that sharp look. Be brunch ready with this classic 3-piece suit with overlapping double-breasted waistcoat. A smart 3-piece lapel suit to complete your formal collection. Mark the occasion in your effortless best 4-button double-breasted suit. Make a style statement with this classic yet designed to trend 3-piece check suit with cross checks waistcoat and cross check sleeves. Own this look with a classic notch lapel suit and round edge pocket. Going to the casual designing section. Gracefully designed, keeping style and comfort at heart of creation. This stunning range of fabric from our classic collections are perfect for striking ensemble. Lead the way with the freshness of this color and classic 2-button suit with 2 different style of pocket. Modern yet regal 2-button notch lapel patch pocket with flap to give a casual feel. Go easy with this 2-button casual jacket with contrasting elbow patch and trousers. Let the trend start with you in this stylish 3-piece suit with contrasting flat piping. Look timeless in this 2-button casual suit with shoulder patch and unique pocket. Take the big leap in this casual suit with stylish waist belt and patch pocket. Look sharp in this classic 2-button suit with flap pocket and well contrasting waistcoat. Let your charm do the talking with this casual 2-button jacket with colorful detailing round the lapel and bone pocket. keeping it cool in this 2-button casual jacket with patch pocket and contrast trouser. Look dapper in this casual 2-button notch lapel jacket and contrast trousering. Suit up in this classic 2-button suit with patch pocket and overlapping waistcoat. And perfect for any day in this uber comfort 2-button check jacket with contrast plain trousers. Start the trend with this double lapel 2-patch pocket blazer with contrasting regular fit trouser. Make a lasting impression with this single button casual jacket with well contrasting double breasted waistcoat and trouser. The next section is ceremonial. Create and curated with a wide spectrum of fabric to make every moment memorable. It's timeless, elegant, and does justice to reflect the depth of every moment occasionally. Add to your wardrobe this stylish 3-piece tuxedo suit with lapel patch and flat piping detail. Steal the show with this cross button bandgala and regular fit black trouser. Walk in style with this 3-piece 1-button suit with fashionable flap pockets. Look sharp and regal in this 3-piece tuxedo suit with overall thin piping. Stylish, mix and match this 3-piece suit with piping detail. Perfect for any occasion in this 6-button classic bandgala jacket with contrast trouser. Look sharp in this classy 3-piece tuxedo suit with flat piping. Create a perfect evening look in this edgy tuxedo with peak level. Simple, easy and elegant, this half bandgala jacket with matching trouser is sure to win many hearts. Sharp and edgy, all black 3-piece tuxedo suit with round shawl lapel for every momentous occasion. Bold styling with this all black classic bandgala and contrast detailing. Make head turn with this elegant 3-piece suit with shawl lapel and long waistcoat. Class apart round lapel 2-button tuxedo suit with contrast detailing. Look regal in this classic Bangala with matching trouser. Simple yet classy single-breasted tuxedo blazer with round lapel. Step out in style in this cross-button Bangala with flap pockets and contrast trouser. Make a mark with this 7-button classical sherwani. Classic Achkan style sherwani to complement the big occasion. Make a fashion statement with this Bandi style high neck Indo-Western look at special occasion. Dip dress to the occasion in this elegant overlap Nawabi. Elegant and classic Nawabi with white trouser to complete your look for special occasion.